Good morning, students. Today we shall be doing chapter Truly Beautiful Mind from Beehive. The chapter talks about the genius qualities. Here the chapter is on Albert Einstein. Even so many years after his death, we still remember him. In 1905, we see 26 years old published in quick succession 4 groundbreaking news about light, the motion of particles, that electrodynamics of the moving bodies and energy. His work took up only a few pages in a scientific journal and changed the understanding of a space, time, and the entire cosmos. So, transformation that Einstein did was genius. The quality that he possessed about the transformation of the thinking of a human, that was what the chapter is talking about. Albert Einstein was born on 14th March 1879. His in German, and city's name was Ulm, and his mother regarded him as a freak. He was not able to speak even at the age of 2.5. Started his schooling and he spoke very late, and his friends even called him brother boring. He didn't do well in his school there, and headmaster declared that he won't be able to do anything, he won't be able to get success in his life. Now there was a change in his school. The family moved to the Munich, and there was there in a school he began his education. Although he was very good, he scored good scoring there, but there was a clashes with the teacher there. Einstein, he was sent to Munich where he scored good marks, but the hate for the school that was there and after few clashes with the teacher, and when he was 15 he was shifted and left the school. And now his education in University Zurich. Special interest he showed there in maths and physics. This Einstein, he has a special love for maths and physics. He fell there also in love with Milevia, Milevia, and wanted to get married to her, but mother was against that. At age of 21, he got his first university degree, and in secret he was developing his own theory also. And theory of relativity was that, and especially theory of relativity. According to his theory, time and distance are not absolutely equal. Two perfectly accurate clock will never give the same time, even if they come together the same journey. And the famous formula which he developed out of it was E is equal to mc square. Now if we talk about his personal life, the chapter describes about his personal life, working on the most difficult problem of the physics at that time. His mother, she also opposed his marriage and to Milevia, but soon he got married with her, and they had the 2 sons, but marriage was not successful, and they were divorced in 1990. And same year he married his cousin Elisa, and after this he began his life. He was honored with the Nobel Prize also in 1950. Journal theory of relativity. For this he was awarded with the Coriolis Award Nobel Prize in 1921, and eclipse of the sun in 1919 proved his theory absolutely correct. Emigrated to America. Now when Nazi came in power in Germany, this Einstein, he emigrated to America out of fear of Nazis making an atom bomb. Einstein's theory, American made the atom bomb, and secretly Einstein was quite upset with this On 2nd July 1939, he wrote to the President Franklin D. Roosevelt that a single atomic bomb could destroy the whole part of the world, and the warning was almost ignored. Americans dwelled the bomb secretly and dropped one on Hiroshima and Nagasaki, which everybody is aware about it, and Japan during this World War II. And still we find the effect of this bomb till today also. Now this man, he was so frustrated with this that he worked for the peace. He was upset with the bomb and watched for the peace in the world till this time, death in 1955 at the age of 76. Hailed as good citizen and scientific genius. We still remember him as a genius in the field of science. Thank you, students.